Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Siguru, and I know it's been way too long that I uploaded a YouTube video. So today from today on, I'm going to be consistent with my uploading. So I'm going to be starting a Django series where I'll be teaching you all how to build Django applications and how to deploy them. We'll be building fun projects, and I hope you get to follow along as I upload, so you get notified when I upload a new video. So without no further ado, I'll just go ahead and walk you through the installation process of Django. So firstly, what you have to do is download Python. If this is your first time working with Django, or it's your first time working with Python, because you know Django is a Python framework for building web applications and APIs. So if it's your first time working with Python, you have to download Python. So all you have to do is Python, go ahead on your browser and search download Python, and you hit enter, and you click on the first link. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can download Python. My network is kind of glitchy. Okay, so once you have Python downloaded and added to your environmental variable, that is your env, you have to add it to your env. So like if you see here, you have to add Python to your env. So you locate this part and you add this to your env. Once you have done that and Python is installed, to know if Python is successfully installed, you just open your command prompt. I wouldn't want to make this video longer, so I'll probably do another video of how to install Python and get started with Python. But for now, I'll just go ahead on and start working with it. But to confirm if Python is installed, just do Python -- version. If this doesn't output the version for you, it shows that Python hasn't been successfully installed and it has not been added to your environmental variable. So once you've done that and you get this, it shows you have Python and you're good to go. So you see, I've got Python, so I'm good to go. So next step you have to do is create a folder and open that folder in Visual Studio Code, or in any of your editor you'll be using. For me, I'll be using Visual Studio Code since that's my favorite editor, and so I'm just going to be working on in this folder. This is where I'm going to create the folder. So I'll just go ahead and create a new folder called tutorial. Just create a folder called tutorial. Then I'm going to drag this folder and open it with Visual Studio Code. So I'll just go ahead and create a new window, a new Visual Studio Code window, and I'm going to drag this folder right over to Visual Studio Code. So you can see we have our folder opened. You can see here tutorial. So we're just going to hit Control J. On Mac it's going to be Command J. So Control J, and it should open the terminal. So the first thing you want to do is to create your virtual environment, or leave a documentation explaining what virtual environment is and why it's important. So you just check the link below and you see that you can read through. So firstly I'm going to create my virtual environment. So the first command you'll be doing is Python /m wildcard virtual environment. This is what actually creates the virtual environment, and you're going to name your virtual environment. So you can call this anything, but me, I'm going to stick with virtual environment because it's a little bit descriptive. So I'm going to hit enter. Then you can see over here, I got the folder virtual environment, and it's still installing some. So now my virtual environment has been created. This is my folder virtual environment. So all my Python libraries are going to be installed inside here, which doesn't cause conflict in versions. So this is what I'll be needing to activate the virtual environment. I'll be needing this activate file. So I'll need to navigate into that to run the script. So firstly, it's in our virtual environment folder, another slash, and we're navigating into script. So script / activate this file. So if you hit enter, it's going to run the script and it's going to activate our virtual environment. So enter. As you can see over here, our virtual environment has been activated. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear the screen, and we're going to start off by installing Django into our virtual environment. So to do that, just to pip install Django and hit enter. For this, you need to connect your PC to the internet, and the first thing you want to do is to create a project. So yet again, you can just click the link on the third link, and you get to read the documentation of what the project and the app folders, what they are in Django and how they help Django, so you can build great applications. So firstly, we're going to create our project. So use Django. Let's clear our terminal first. It's messy. So the Django admin start project. So I'm going to call mine config, because this project is basically where all your configuration files for Django is being saved. So I'm going to call mine config, and I'm going to move into config, right? So I can have access to the manage supply, so I can be able to use the manage supply to manage my Django application. So once you have done that, you do Python manage.py run server and hit enter. So it's going to spin up the development server, the Django development server there. You click on that, you can see Python successfully installed. Congratulations, you have installed your first application. So thank you for watching. I hope you stick around for the next video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.